Hi, my name is Rick Frege, Sales Manager at SF Tech. I'm accompanied today by my colleague, Dr. Ahmed Salama. He's our expert in composite bars. Also from Groupe Kilo, we are accompanied by Mr. Robert Williamson and also Mr. Sylvain Lalonde.
Yes, well, Groupe Kilo is a general contractor specialized in civil works, mainly in concrete and asphalt works for institutional, commercial, and household jobs. So everything that is specialized with concrete walls or concrete slabs.
I highly appreciate if you can tell us about your recent work with the city of Montreal.
Yes. Well, the project was to build the foundations for a salt dome, protect the salt during the winter. So the idea was to dig for the foundation ring. And after that, we were building the walls, the slab, and upper walls for the installation of the dome. So the composite reinforcement was required to protect from the corrosive aspect of the abrasive salt. It was our first try with the SF Tech bars, and the most special part about it was like when we received the bars, we experimented how light it was and easy to transport they were compared to standard galvanized steel rods.
And how long it take to install the bars in the project compared with conventional steel bars?
You can cut about 20 to 25% of the usual installation time. The only thing that is really different is it's really light. When you install, you move around. Let's say it's a 15 gauge bar. You move like 2-3 around at a time. When you take the composite rod, you can place the entire bundle and place rod one by one without going back in the stockpile every time. We have the really like long length bar that's like 6 meters, 20 feet with steel rods. As it's heavy, take 2 men to install one bar, but with the composite bars, but you only need one guy because it's so light, you can just lift it and it stays up. So you don't have to carry them at 2 guys. It's a one-man job.
What would you recommend customers who are listening to this video?
Every civil works that is susceptible to corrosion, salt exposure, this is really light. It's quick to install. Even when it's raining, you can continue to install those bars because it's not lightning conductive. On the contrary of steel bars, as soon as it's starting to rain, the installers will stop because of the dangers. It's the only tricks for the guys that install the bars. My recommendation would be to make sure that the drawings are precise and the quantities have been adjusted right, because the delays for delivery have to be taken in consideration. But other than that, it's a good product and I recommend the use of it.